Alright guys, here we are. Starting to polish this plane. None of this is done yet. It's not too bad. And once it all shined up for Oshkosh, so starting to tape up some of this front end. Then I got, see all the scratches here. Get all that out. I got a little too excited and I already did the spinner here, so it's all shiny. Clean out the front end just from the bugs, but it's still a little dull. Take up some of this side. I have to get all the details here. Take out this, but we'll get there. Here's the results of the polished top nose. Here we just did a first step polish without the cloth final step. Just comparing the two sides here. Now we're here on the other side, just polishing up the nose, but I just wanted to go through the steps that we had take on this Brightwork. Depending on the severity of the Brightwork, we start off with a heavy cut with probably a F7 from Nuvite. But in this case, as we saw earlier, the Brightwork wasn't actually that bad, so we only did a one step. We did a combination of Striker and Maverick from Fly Shiny. This combined with a DA or a rotary polisher with a wool pad gets most of the imperfections out. And then it gave us a pretty nice mirror shine that didn't need that last step with the flannel. Some sections did need it, so we would throw a Nuvite grade S with a flannel towel right over our DA polisher and then shine that up, and it would get rid of any haze left over and really just let that mirror shine pop. Here's some of the finished results, some pictures, and a little video to show you the mirror shine. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next one.